Never seen this in person before.
MT with C's button replacements. Ooh. What the heck? Alright, motor. This thing's beautiful.
Oh, Alto. Man, we still have a lot to do.
Ooh! The last remaining MT button. You can see by the condition of that these did not last very well. There's like gunk around all the buttons. Ooh, we just clipped the pickup line. And another one. This is the High Street garage. Second right?
Sure. Just like ECC buttons.
Ooh, look at all the fire retardant there.
Yeah.
I think that's what this is. Look, all of it's under the vents and everything. Someone sprayed a fire extinguisher in here. Yeah, it's all over.
Yeah.
All in the ceiling.
Oh, maybe this was the one where the fire was actually lit. There might have been this other one.
The whole ceiling. Jeez.
It's pretty interesting. I've never seen these before.